Welcome to Beautyistic. If you've ever struggled with maintaining a fresh, clean mouth with the right brush heads, then stay tuned. Today we're diving into a product that promises to make your oral care routine even more effective and convenient. The Pursonic RBH-3 replacement brush heads. These brush heads are designed for several popular Pursonic Waterpik electric toothbrush models, so let's see if they live up to their claims. Pursonic RBH-3 replacement brush heads come in a pack of 3, and they're compatible with a wide range of models from brands like Pursonic, Waterpik, and even a few others like Dazzle Pro and Wellness. These replacement brush heads have a few features that really caught my attention. First, they have a silicone tongue brush on the reverse side, which helps you eliminate bacteria on your tongue and freshen your breath. The brush heads are designed to remove plaque effectively without irritating your gums, which is great for those with sensitive teeth or gums. Additionally, they claim to help remove tough stains for a whiter, brighter smile. Now, I've been using these replacement brush heads for a few weeks as part of my usual oral hygiene routine, and here's what I can say from real-world experience. They were easy to attach to my existing Pursonic electric toothbrush, and the bristles felt gentle yet effective against plaque. I love the added silicone tongue scraper. It's a thoughtful touch that helps make my whole mouth feel fresh after brushing. I noticed an improvement in the smoothness of my teeth after a few uses, and my gums didn't feel irritated, which can sometimes be a problem with other brush heads. However, if I had to be honest, I did feel that the bristles could be a bit firmer. While they're gentle, they might not be quite as aggressive in tackling stains for some people, especially if you're looking for that intense clean. But for someone like me, who prefers a gentler touch, the Pursonic RBH-3 heads did the job just fine. Pros: wide compatibility with several brands like Pursonic, Waterpik, and others. Silicone tongue scraper for an all-around clean mouth. Gentle on gums, but still effective at plaque removal. Cons: the bristles could be firmer for those who want a more intense clean. Might not tackle tough stains as effectively as some other brands. When it comes to value for money, these brush heads are reasonably priced, considering the fact that they're compatible with a wide range of models. You're getting a pack of 3, which means you won't have to replace your brush head as frequently. While they might not be the most high-end brush heads out there, they certainly do a good job of keeping your teeth clean and fresh. So, how do these compare to other options? If you're someone who likes a super firm brush for deep cleaning, there are other brush heads out there with firmer bristles. However, for a more gentle yet effective clean, the Pursonic RBH-3 replacement brush heads are a great option. I'd say they're a solid middle ground option. Good for everyday use, but not the ultimate choice for someone needing intense plaque removal or whitening. When it comes to build quality, the Pursonic RBH-3 brush heads feel sturdy and reliable. I didn't notice any issues with them loosening up or wearing out too quickly. They fit snugly onto the toothbrush handle, and I've been able to use them for several weeks without any noticeable decline in performance. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. As for customer support, I haven't had to reach out to Pursonic, but their reputation for providing reliable products does help reassure me that if I did need assistance, it would be handled well. No updates have been released for these brush heads, but the consistency of their performance is a plus. If you're looking for cheaper alternatives, you could try the replacement heads from other brands like Oral-B, which might be a bit more affordable. However, with the Pursonic RBH-3 heads, you're getting a good mix of affordability and functionality. Final verdict: the Pursonic RBH-3 replacement brush heads are a solid choice for those who use Pursonic or compatible toothbrush models and are looking for a reliable, gentle brush head that gets the job done without irritating the gums. While they may not be the best option for those looking for an ultra-firm scrub, they're still a great pick for daily use. Thanks for tuning in to Beautyistic. Don't forget to check the link in the description to purchase these brush heads and share your own thoughts in the comments. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.